In this tutorial, we'll learn how to make a cover blanket, or you can call it a fly front blanket. And this is the type of blanket for shirts where the button won't be visible. The button is hidden by another layer of fabric. Alright, this is my pattern. I just drafted something small so as to show you what to do. Okay, and this is the excess, the allowance that we need for the blanket. Now I left 4.5 as my allowance, and the size of the blanket will be 1.25. So I'll be dividing this allowance I left by 1.25, and dividing it by 1.25, I will have 3 columns that are 1.25 and a little column, a little leftover as my color, as my essays. So in all, I have 4 columns, but 3 are the main column that I need, which is the ones I divided by 1.25, and the last one is just like the allowance that will fold inside. So I'm just trying to fold it. So I'll cut I'll use this pattern to cut my fabric now, and after cutting the fabric, I will transfer the lines on the pattern. I will transfer it onto my fabric. Don't mind me, I'm actually using a permanent marker for this, although it's just for tutorial sake. So, but it's better you use a chalk, something that can clean off. Don't use a permanent marker as I'm doing. So I'm trying to transfer the lines. After transferring the lines, also I must say that for you to have a perfect blanket, you need to use your iron. You need to iron. Since this is a tutorial, I won't be ironing. But if you want it perfect, then you must be close to your iron. So I'll just draw the lines. So I've been able to transfer the lines on the pattern to the fabric. So the next thing is for us to sew. But in sewing we need to fold. So I am folding it. Let me start again. I have 4 lines. Line 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will fold at line 2. Fold at line 2, and I will make sure line 1 is on line 3. I folded at line 2 and line 1 is on line 3. So I will sew it straight down. Line 1 and line 3 are on each other, and I've taken it to my machine. See what I have. The next thing I'll do is to fold line 4. Fold line 4 like this. Then I will bend like this. You can pause the video and make it replay. Okay, I'm doing it again. That is my line 4. So I'll fold line 4. Then the initial sewing, I will bend it like this. So you see that the excess, that little excess I have is now inside. I'm doing it again once more. Fold line 4 and like this. So I will now run a straight stitch straight down, and that is all about it. After sewing, this is what I have. So the inner one is where you put your buttonhole. and the other side of your shirt is where you put your button. So the button will come out through the buttonhole like this, and the other placket will cover it, making it an invisible button. You won't see the button. Yes, that is how it's going to cover it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.